How much should you actually spend on a flash for your Canon 70D? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Godox TT600 Flash. First up is the Godox TT600, priced at around $65. What caught my eye was its built-in wireless system, allowing for remote control and high-speed sync. If you want an affordable flash that simplifies your shooting experience, this is worth a serious look. Here's why the TT600 might solve your problem. With a high guide number of 60, it delivers powerful illumination, making it ideal for portraits or events where you need that extra light. The 2.4G wireless transmission allows for a stable signal up to 100 meters, which is great if you're shooting in larger spaces. Plus, it can deliver around 230 full power flashes with a recycling time of just 0.1 to 2.6 seconds. That means you won't miss a moment during fast-paced shoots. Now, some people complained about the lack of high-speed sync when mounted on a camera hot shoe. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly shooting in TTL mode with a trigger, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's still an excellent option for most scenarios. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or enthusiast looking to expand your lighting options without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need advanced features like TTL built-in for on-camera use. For the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the TT600's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Photolex FK300 Flash. Next up is the Photolex FK300, coming in at about $40.99. I was drawn to its powerful output and versatility. If you want a reliable flash without spending too much, this is worth considering. Here's why the FK300 could be a game changer for you. With a guide number of 33, it offers solid performance for indoor photography, which means you can capture great details in low light. It has 3 flash modes: manual, S1, and S2, allowing for creative off-camera setups. And with 8-level power adjustment, you can easily tailor the light intensity from subtle fills to maximum output. That's crucial for getting the right exposure in various situations. However, some users mentioned that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing, if you handle it with care, it's a solid tool for beginners and those who don't need something overly fancy. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet effective flash for casual photography. Skip it if you're a pro who needs top-notch durability. Overall, it provides excellent value for the price. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for creative lighting needs. Product number 3, Photolex FK310 Flash. The next contender is the Photolex FK310, priced at around $41.39. What caught my attention was the intuitive LCD display. If you want better control over your lighting, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why the FK310 stands out. It also offers a guide number of 33 and features an LCD screen that shows you mode, power level, and battery status. This is super helpful for quick adjustments during shoots. The flash also has 22 levels of fine power adjustment, allowing for precise control of output, which is a big deal when you want to nail that perfect shot. Now, some users noted that the flash takes a bit longer to recycle compared to higher-end models. But I'll be real with you. For casual photographers, the speed should be more than adequate, especially for its price point. This is perfect for you if you enjoy having more control over your light settings while shooting. Skip this if you need lightning-fast recycle times for professional events. Honestly, it's a good value for the features you get. Now, if you're looking for something more advanced, wait till you hear about this next flash. Product number 4, Godox V863C Flash. Next up is the Godox V863C, ringing in at $229. This one really caught my eye due to its impressive performance features. If you want a professional level flash, this is worth every penny. Here's why the V863C is a standout option for you. It boasts a 1.5S recycling time, which means you can capture about 480 full power flashes. That's huge for event photography where you don't want to miss a moment. The quick switch feature allows you to toggle between manual and TTL mode instantly, so you can adapt to changing lighting conditions on the fly. Plus, the built-in wireless system ensures reliable connectivity with other Godox products, giving you more creative freedom. However, some users did mention that it's heavier than other options, which could be a drawback for long shoots. But here's the thing. The performance and features you get make it worth the extra weight if you're serious about your photography. This is perfect for you if you're a pro or a serious hobbyist who needs reliable performance and features. Skip this if you prefer something lightweight for casual use. It's a solid investment for long-term photography needs. Now, if you're still looking for something budget-friendly, this last option wraps up our list nicely. Product number 5, Godox TT522 Flash. Finally, we have the Godox TT522 priced at around $54. This caught my eye due to its great features at an affordable price. If you want something functional without spending too much, this is a solid choice. Here's why the TT522 should be on your radar. With a guide number of 33 and 433 MHz wireless transmission, it offers decent performance for both indoor and outdoor shooting. The multiple flash modes including M, S1, and S2 give you versatility for different setups, which is great for creative lighting. Plus, the built-in wide-panel diffuser softens the light, making it more flattering for portraits. Some users reported that the flash can overheat after extended use. I get it, that's a concern, but for casual shoots, it shouldn't be a deal-breaker as long as you give it some breaks. This is perfect for you if you're an entry-level shooter who wants a reliable flash for events and portraits. Skip it if you plan to shoot for extended periods without breaks. For the price, it's a fantastic value. So there you have it. Each of these flashes has its own strengths and is designed for different types of photographers. So, to wrap things up, we've covered the Godox TT600 for budget-friendly versatility, the Photolex FK 300 and FK 310 for reliable performance at a low cost, the Godox V863C for pro-level features, and the Godox TT522 for those just starting out. Each offers something unique based on your needs. Choose wisely and happy shooting.